Asian grocery shopping. Rice. This rice is perfect for dishes like sushi or rice bowls. Ramen. These are super popular spicy ramen. Sesame oil. I like to drizzle a little sesame oil over rice and noodles. Oyster sauce. A little oyster sauce adds a rich umami taste. Sriracha hot chili sauce. A little Sriracha hot chili sauce goes well with fried rice. Seaweed. I like seaweed snacks for a light and healthy bite. Curry mix. This makes it easy to cook Japanese curry at home. Calpico. Calpico is a sweet and creamy Japanese drink. Instant noodles. Just add hot water and instant noodles are ready. Soft candy. I enjoy soft candies with a chewy texture. Chocolate biscuit sticks. Light, crunchy, and delicious. Chocolate pie. Chocolate pie is sweet and creamy. Udon. Udon noodles are thick and chewy. Fishball. Hot pot is not complete without fish balls. Rice crisp. Rice crisps are light, crispy, and crunchy. Chocolate. Chocolate is sweet and delicious. Pineapple cake. I enjoy eating pineapple cake with tea. Probiotic drink. Probiotic drink is refreshing and healthy. Somen. Somen noodles are usually served cold with dipping sauce.